Every great home stager knows this truth. People don't just buy homes, they buy feelings. Buyers are drawn to spaces that make them feel calm, safe, inspired, and even a little bit pampered. High-end stagers have mastered the art of creating these emotions on site. And today, we're revealing the unexpected secrets they use to make people feel like they belong the moment they step inside. These mind-blowing tactics will show you how to transform your space, even on a budget. By hacking your guests' psychology to create the illusion of comfort, luxury, and belonging. First things first. The entryway anchor illusion. Why luxury homes always feel inviting the moment you walk in. First impressions aren't just about what you see, they're about what you feel. Home stagers create an emotional pull the second you step inside by anchoring the entryway with visual cues that make you feel welcomed. Your brain craves control, so when you step into a home, it instantly searches for a visual landing spot. Without it, you feel unsettled, even if you don't realize it. How you can apply this rule to your home. 1. Use a statement console table. Even a narrow table with a vase or sculptural piece draws your eyes in and gives the brain a sense of control. 2. Mirrors near the entry. Stagers often place mirrors facing the entryway because your reflection subconsciously reinforces the idea that this space belongs to you. 3. A signature fragrance. You're going to hear us saying this a lot. Placing a reed diffuser or scented candle in the entryway creates a memorable first impression, giving your guests a "this smells like home" moment. Next, it's the invisible room divider trick. How stagers create the illusion of bigger, more organized spaces without adding walls? Ever noticed how some homes feel spacious and inviting, even if they're not that large? Home stagers use invisible room dividers to control your perception of space, and it's far simpler than you'd expect. Your mind naturally craves order. When walking into a space, your brain quickly scans for structure, looking for designated areas for relaxation, dining, and work. Without clear zones, a room can feel chaotic, but stagers don't rely on bulky dividers or partitions. They use implied separation. Now, how can you apply this? 1. Strategic rug placement. A large rug under your dining table or seating area subconsciously tells your brain, this is the dining space. 2. Mismatched flooring. Using different textures, like tile in the kitchen and wood in the living room, creates an invisible boundary without walls. 3. Subtle furniture angling. Stagers often angle a sofa away from the dining space to create the illusion of a separate living area. This simple trick helps guests feel like they're walking through organized zones without realizing it. 4. Floating furniture. Even in small spaces, pulling furniture 4 to 6 inches away from walls creates the illusion of a bigger room. It subconsciously invites people to move around the space instead of feeling boxed in. The emotional color trap. It's the one secret home stagers never left behind. Why stagers never rely on just beige and white, and neither should you. Luxury stagers understand that color is more than just decoration. It's a tool to manipulate emotions. Certain colors have been proven to evoke powerful emotions. Stagers subtly weave these tones into spaces to influence how guests feel. Warm hues like terracotta and ochre create comfort, while cool tones like sage green make spaces feel calm and collected. Can you do this yourself? Of course you can. 1. Accent your walls with purpose. Instead of painting an entire room, stagers often use a bold color on one wall to create an emotional focal point. 2. Layer soft textures in rich tones. Think rust-colored throws or navy cushions. These colors subconsciously trigger feelings of warmth and relaxation. 3. Use unexpected pops of gold or brass. Stagers often add small metallic elements in handles, vases, or picture frames because gold subconsciously signals luxury. The scent memory strategy. We can't get over this one. We call it the invisible luxury. Check out our video on 5-star hotel tricks. I will leave the link in the description below. How stagers use scent to make your home unforgettable. Ever walked into a home and instantly felt safe, cozy, or refreshed? That's no accident. Stagers create those feelings by engineering scent memories. Smell is the most powerful sense tied to memory. Stagers use familiar, comforting scents to trigger positive emotional responses. For your home, you can use vanilla for comfort. Use vanilla-scented diffusers in living spaces to evoke warmth and familiarity. Citrus for energy. In kitchens, stagers often use lemon or grapefruit scents to make the space feel clean and vibrant. Herbaceous oils in bathrooms. Stagers often add eucalyptus bundles in showers or lavender in linen closets to signal spa-like luxury. The next thing home stagers idolize is the curated clutter illusion. How stagers trick your mind into believing a home is luxurious, even if it's simple. Too much clutter feels chaotic, but too little makes a space feel sterile. Stagers create a perfect balance by curating clutter. Intentional, strategic placements of objects that feel both functional and stylish. Your mind associates organized clutter with comfort. Seeing just enough books, candles, and plants makes a home feel lived in, yet thoughtfully curated. At home, you can use 1. The rule of 3. Stagers often group 3 items of different heights, like a tall vase, medium-sized photo frame, and small candle, to create visual balance. 2. Books as decor. Stack hardcover books on coffee tables or shelves to add warmth and style. 3. Hidden storage bins. Stagers use woven baskets or ottomans with storage to conceal mess while keeping essential items close. Next, the seating psychology hack. How stagers arrange seating to make guests linger longer. Great home stagers know that seating isn't just about comfort, it's about creating an experience. When seats face each other in a semicircle, it naturally encourages conversation and social bonding, making the space feel inviting. How you can mimic that. Angle sofas toward each other. Even slightly angling chairs or sofas creates a sense of intimacy and connection. Add a small table or footrest. These make guests feel more relaxed and comfortable, which tricks their mind into feeling at home. The last secret for today is the bathroom luxury illusion. How stagers make basic bathrooms feel like 5-star hotel spas. Bathrooms often make or break a home's impression. Stagers use subtle tricks to make these spaces feel luxurious. No renovation required. DIY secrets to steal this trick? 1. Towel folding trick. Stagers fold towels in thirds and stack them to mimic spa displays. 2. Glass jars for essentials. Placing cotton balls, swabs, and soaps in clear jars creates a clean, luxurious look. 3. Tray styling. Adding a small tray with a candle, soap bar, and fresh flowers instantly elevates the space. Create a home that captivates. The greatest home stagers know that luxury isn't about spending more, it's about creating powerful emotional connections through design. Each of these tricks taps into subconscious cues that make people feel like they already belong in the space. Try these unexpected strategies and watch your home transform into a place that guests won't want to leave. Now tell me, which of these tricks surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments.